Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 67 elegant and modern kitchen design ideas, your gateway to reimagining the heart of your home. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a space where memories are made, stories are shared, and creativity comes to life. With these stunning designs, you'll find inspiration to transform your kitchen into a masterpiece of both form and function. An elegant and modern kitchen not only elevates the style of your home but also enhances your daily life. Imagine the sleek simplicity of a minimalist kitchen, where clean lines, integrated appliances, and neutral tones create a serene and organized space. Or consider the warmth of a contemporary kitchen with a splash of bold color, custom cabinetry, and pendant lighting that makes every meal preparation an enjoyable experience. These designs also focus on practicality, offering smart solutions for modern living. From clever storage ideas, like pull-out pantry systems and hidden compartments, to multifunctional islands that double as dining spaces, these kitchens make the most of every square inch. You'll also see innovative materials and finishes, such as quartz countertops and matte black fixtures, that bring durability and elegance together. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to hit the like button if you're inspired, share your favorite kitchen idea in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's dive into these 67 elegant and modern kitchen design ideas and bring your dream kitchen to life. Enjoy the video.